Non-probability sampling is defined as a sampling technique in which the researcher selects samples based on the subjective judgment of the researcher rather than random selection. Non-probability sampling techniques are more conducive and practical and method for research deploying survey in the real world. Getting response using non-probability sampling is faster and more cost-effective than probability sampling because the sample is known to the research. Type of non-probability sampling. Confidence sampling. Confidence sampling is non-probability sampling technique where samples are selected from the population only because they are confidently available to the research. For example, the research wants to know which class lack facility in the teaching and learning process. Then the research sends a survey to one of the student representatives in each class. Consecutive sampling. This non-probability sampling method is very similar to confidence sampling, with a slight variation. Here the research picks a single person or a group of a sample, conduct research over a period, analyze the result, and then move on to another subject or group if needed. For example, research wants to know the number of new students at UMP in the 2020. Research only need to wait until November to August. Quota sampling. Quota sampling is a type of non-probability sampling method. This means that elements from the population are chosen on a non-random basis and all members of the population do not have equal chance of being selected to be a part of the sample group. Research wants to know the purpose of collect students. Then there are 500 students who technically have to be male and female. Then the research divided 250 women and 250 men through group live or strata. Judgmental or purposive sampling. In a judgmental sampling method, research select the sample based purely on the research knowledge and credibility. In other words, research choose only these people who they deem fit to participate in the research study. Judgmental or purposive sampling is not scientific method of sampling. And then downside to this sampling technique is that the preconceived notion of research can influence the result. This research technique involves a high amount of ambiguity. For example, research wants to know the effect of online games on student academic score. Then research wants to find out who only play online games.